Want a garden that stays colorful year after year? Today, I'm sharing 25 of the best long-blooming perennials. Just plant them once and they'll return every season. Perennials are the secret to a low-maintenance, ever-blooming garden. Unlike annuals, which need replanting, perennials come back stronger each year, saving you time and money. Let's dive into the top 25. Echinacea, or coneflower, blooms from summer to fall and attracts pollinators. Black-eyed Susan is a garden classic with bright yellow blooms for months. Lavender is fragrant, beautiful, and a pollinator favorite. Coreopsis produces cheerful yellow flowers all summer. Salvia has long-lasting purple blooms that hummingbirds love. Shasta daisy offers classic white flowers that brighten any garden. Russian sage has silvery foliage with purple flowers that last from summer to frost. Catmint, or nepeta, is drought-tolerant with soft blue flowers. Daylilies have multiple varieties that bloom throughout the growing season. Gaillardia, or blanket flower, boasts continuous blooms in vibrant red and yellow. Hellebore is one of the earliest bloomers in late winter and early spring. Sedum autumn joy is a stunning late-season bloomer with pink flowers. Astilbe features feathery pink, white, or red blooms perfect for shady gardens. Bee balm is a butterfly and hummingbird magnet. Foxglove, or digitalis, has tall spikes of blooms that last for weeks. Veronica, or speedwell, offers blue, purple, or pink flowers that bloom all summer. Yarrow is drought-tolerant with clusters of tiny flowers. Penstemon has long-lasting trumpet-shaped flowers. Lungwort, or pulmonaria, has early spring blooms with unique spotted leaves. Hibiscus, or rose mallow, features giant tropical-looking flowers in temperate zones. Phlox, whether low-growing or tall, offers non-stop color. Euchera, or coral bells, has tiny flowers plus stunning foliage. Baptisia, or false indigo, provides deep blue flowers followed by attractive seed pods. Cranesbill geranium is a true perennial geranium with non-stop blooms. Japanese anemone offers late-season flowers that keep your garden colorful in fall. To keep your perennials thriving, plant them in well-draining soil, water them regularly in their first year, and add mulch for extra protection. Deadhead spent blooms to encourage even longer flowering. With these perennials, your garden will be bursting with color season after season. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips.